Okay, so now you announced that you'll be making Radha Krishna. So could you tell us something about what it's all about?
Very, very excited. It's and something which I have wanted to get involved with for a very long time. It is something that I don't think there exists in the Indian mythology. Anything as personal, a relationship as personal at the same time as epic as Radha Krishna. There are lots of things that one has to learn from that. There are lots of things that are so heart-wrenching and so beautiful at the same time, and the scale is so epic. And we are talking about about Krishna and Radha as humans, as people with feelings. So I'm really very excited about it.
Okay, and you've said that it'll take some time in terms of just mounting it. And do you have like a star cast in mind?
No, I do not have a star cast, and I don't even have a kind of a timetable right now.
When you're going to start? Apparently, you're starting something else. You want to start something else?
Yeah, I'll probably start something else, because this, even in terms of research and writing, and also the technicality of how this film will be made and mounted, will take a while, and I want to give it that time. We cannot be doing this film in any sort of a hurry. We have to make it the best that we can.
I don't know if you realize it or not, but you are trending on Twitter right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and so, as it is happening these days, so there is quite a bit of this entire debate that a Muslim is making a film on him, on Radha and Krishna. So you can't even make like a cartoon of Muhammad, but here he's going to just interpret it the way he wants to, and Bollywood always does it in terms of whatever the romantic stuff. So how do you react to that? There are quite a few messages. I'll show you.
Okay. I don't know. I feel that there is no impurity in my thought. There's only positivity in the way I feel about Radha and Krishna. And that's all I can say. जैसा कि अभी साजिद ने कहा कि अगर मैं ये सोचूंगा कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
Yeah, but these days it's become quite tough, because say Amir, there was this report that maybe he may be doing Mahabharata, and then there was this entire debate, and Javed Saab, he tweeted as well that the entire thing is ridiculous, this industry is extremely secular. Yeah. But yeah, so these things they tend to happen, whatever happened with Padmavat for that matter, the extent that it reached. But does it make you apprehensive?
See, the thing is that my desire to surrender to this story of Radha and Krishna is far greater than my fear for any kind of, or my fear or apprehension for any kind of reaction towards it. And the fact of the matter is that if something I feel is very strong in my heart, then if I don't try it, then what justification do I have? I have to try it, and I have to explain to people. And people should know that this is how I'm feeling. And they should see for themselves whether there is anything that there is nothing in my intention. I know that there is nothing in my intention that will offend anybody. So let's see.
Right, but I'll just finish it off by saying that, see, Sanjay Bhansali, the fact that he has a certain surname, but in spite of that, he had so many difficulties. You having a certain surname, it becomes even like and Radha Krishna is an altogether different paradigm compared to what maybe Padmavat was. How do you react to this entire attack on this that what an artist can make and what artist can write, what artist cannot write for that matter? Poets are being arrested, and it's a bit strange actually, which is something that maybe it's not part of the constitution that we have.
I will say, since you are a poet, son, I will say it in a very poetic way and then maybe explain it. Bulle Shah ka kalam hai, बुल्ले शाह ओहदी ओ जाने मैनू अपनी तोड़ निभावन दे. Let me do what I can do fully, and other people will do what they have to do. I cannot predict, I cannot pander on it as well. I cannot, I mean, if I don't do what I feel that I truthfully should, then I will have also no reason to complain for what is happening. So here I am, with the best intentions. I'm very clear about it, with humility, with only devotion for Radha and Krishna. So let's see.
Thank you so much, Mumtaz. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.